Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product. This is a dash camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay type thing, and it's got these cool little pull tabs similar to an Apple product. I think I messed this one up, but hopefully we'll see how the other side goes as well. Good thing this doesn't affect how the product works, but there we go. Perfect, got it that time. So I'm just going to flip it over and we'll see how this one goes. And perfect, that one worked like it should. So let's open this bad boy up. Smooth transition right there, love that. It's got lots of packaging, just some manuals right here as well. Pull those out and set them aside. And here's the screen itself. It's a really big screen. It's honestly the same size as my iPad Pro. Not the big iPad Pro, but the smaller iPad Pro. So I'm excited to get to use it. It's not that heavy either. Right here you got the camera. Here's where it mounts, and then you got the power and everything, SD card right there on the side. Set that aside for now. And then you have all the cables and connectors and stuff in here. This is for the back camera if you want to use that. I personally won't be using that. This is the mount, one of the mounts you can use. We'll see if I use that one or not. And then here's the second mount. I'm thinking I might use this one. And then here's all the power adapters and everything you need. So let's just set this all aside and set it out nicely so you can see everything that comes in the box. Again, this is the back camera. I'm personally not going to use this, but if you don't have a backup camera, this would be perfect for anyone that doesn't have a backup camera. You can just wire it into any 12-volt outlet and use it. Right here you have a trim tool for installation. So let's just set this box aside. Right here you got one connector, you got the screen. Again, that just goes in the back right there. You can push this aside as well so you can see everything that's laid out here. And here's the power adapter again. So this is everything that just comes in the box, just so you can get a quick look here. And I'm going to test it out here in a minute. I'm going to use it for about a month and let you know what my thoughts and feelings are on it. But this is everything that comes with it, and it should be everything you really need. So let's go to the review. Let's see what I think about it after a month. Here I have it installed in my truck. I ended up using the suction cup mount. I'm very impressed with it. My only complaint is when it is super bright with the sunroof open, it is a little hard to see, but other than that it works fantastic. So if you don't have a sunroof, you're not going to have an issue. I love how responsive the Apple CarPlay is. When I went down there, it's not as responsive, even though it comes with the truck. As you can see, just no glitches. And I've used a couple other products in the past, and they just have not been very nice. And right here you can go to the main screen here. I really like the dash camera. It is a little splotchy at times, but overall for the price, you really can't get much better than this for the price that you're paying. But you got Android Auto, AirPlay, Miracast, audio out, playback. It's got so many features. I've been very impressed with it. You can even download an app to download all the videos. But again, my main reason I'm using it is the CarPlay. I've been very impressed with it. So if you're going to get this and you need CarPlay and a dash camera, I highly recommend it. I hope this video helps you decide. Thanks, and we'll see you all next time.